What's up, everybody? So, I said fuck it last time, right? I'd have the shop do it. They wanted to point the finger that it was my problem, something I must have did, whatever. Same bad part, cracked. It's cracked def pump. Alright? So, they wanted to switch that out again. That'd be the third pump, like I said, 3 within 1 year. They said it's ready to go, it's not throwing any codes, blah, blah, blah. I did one run to Davenport and back, and then I started heading to Ottumwa, got like another 5 miles maybe, and yeah, there we go. There we go. I hooked up my OTR Diagnostics, which they do not sponsor me, but I do use that, and it is telling me it's an EGR code now. But I'm still showing an active code in my history for the def pump percentage. Okay? So if you fixed it, why am I having these issues? If you checked to see if there was EGR issues, why do I still have issues? I don't know. I don't know. Yet again, you trust shops? I don't. I don't. Stay vigilant, my friends. Like and subscribe, please.